Begin by opening your browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, you will see the familiar interface of WordPress. The first action you should take is to locate the login option, which is visibly positioned at the top right corner of the homepage. This login area is designed to provide quick access to your account and ensure that you can manage your site with ease. After you have identified the login section, click on it. This action will bring you to the authentication gateway where multiple sign-in options are available. In this instance, the tutorial advises you to choose the option labeled Continue with Google. Doing so will allow you to use your Google account credentials to access your WordPress account. When you click Continue with Google, a list of your available Google accounts will appear. Choose the account you wish to use for your WordPress activities. Make sure that you are selecting the correct account, since this choice will determine the dashboard settings and notifications associated with your WordPress account. Once you have successfully logged in with your Google account, the next area of focus on the screen is a bell icon, which represents notifications. This bell icon is typically located in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Clicking on the bell icon will reveal a drop down or a panel that lists your recent notifications, giving you a quick overview of any alerts or messages from your website activities. After checking the notifications from the bell icon, your next action is to locate and click on a gear icon. This gear icon is found closely alongside the notification bell and indicates access to various settings, including those related to notifications. By clicking on this gear icon, you open a menu where you can customize your notification preferences. Within the settings menu, you will notice a series of notification boxes corresponding to different types of alerts. These boxes control what notifications you will see as you manage your website. The instruction now is to turn off all the notification boxes that you do not wish to receive. To do this, carefully toggle each notification option off. This step is quite straightforward, however it requires attention to detail to ensure that every notification setting is disabled according to your requirements. Disabling these settings will help clear your dashboard of unnecessary alerts, allowing you to maintain a cleaner and more focused workspace. After you have disabled all the notification boxes you no longer need, the final important action is to click on the Save Settings button. This button confirms that your changes are applied to your account. Saving your settings ensures that WordPress remembers your preferences and that you will not be disturbed by unwanted notifications in the future. Following these instructions creates a streamlined environment for managing your WordPress site. By turning off notification boxes, you can significantly reduce distractions and improve your workflow. You have now learned a simple yet effective method to customize your WordPress interface and enhance your overall user experience. Keep this guide in mind whenever you feel the need to simplify your dashboard, and feel free to adjust your settings in the future if your notification preferences change. Enjoy a cleaner, more manageable WordPress experience with these easy to follow steps.